Welcome to Vice Grip Garage, home to Derek Bieri's passion for bringing classic cars back to life. On his channel, Derek shares the journey of restoring forgotten vehicles, everything from Chevys to Fords. His story began in Minot, North Dakota, where he was raised on a farm, learning from his father and grandfather how to fix everything from farm equipment to old trucks. There, he developed an early passion for mechanical work. This wasn't learned in a classroom, but in the garage, listening to engines, sensing the vibrations, and understanding machines in a way few people can. Derek's story is one of hands-on experience, perseverance, and a deep love for cars. His roots in this work are the backbone of the Vice Grip Garage ethos. Learn by doing and fix what's broken. Derek's breakthrough on YouTube, the start of Vice Grip Garage. Before YouTube stardom, Derek Bieri worked as an automotive technician and eventually held executive positions in the business world. Despite his financial success, he felt unfulfilled by the corporate grind and longed for a change. In 2017, using an old iPhone taped to his garage door, Derek filmed his first video for Vice Grip Garage, showcasing his attempts to start an abandoned car with nothing but a battery and basic tools. The raw, unscripted approach quickly resonated with viewers. Within months, the channel grew, offering affordable, relatable, and practical restoration tutorials that the automotive community was craving. Derek's authenticity and humor set him apart as he tackled every restoration with a hands-on, do-it-yourself mindset. The Vice Grip Garage method: restoring classic cars the right way. What made Derek's channel so appealing was his no-nonsense approach to car restoration. Using basic tools and old parts, Derek brought vintage cars back to life in a way that felt real and achievable. Whether it was a Chevy Caprice or a Ford F-100, Derek's videos showcased how to get old vehicles running with minimal budget, relying on techniques like zip-tying wiring or using makeshift parts before committing to a full restoration. These cars were often found in barns or scrap yards, forgotten by time, but Derek saw potential in each one. His approach was technical yet accessible, showing viewers that anyone with a passion for cars and a bit of patience could tackle a similar project in their own garage. Growth in popularity, Vice Grip Garage becomes a YouTube phenomenon. By 2022, Vice Grip Garage had amassed over 1.39 million subscribers, and its growth was only accelerating. Derek's dedication to his craft, paired with his raw, unpolished content, made him a favorite among car enthusiasts. Each video averaged around 90 minutes, far longer than most YouTube videos, reflecting the depth and technicality of the restorations he performed. In 2025, the channel reached 2 million subscribers and over 756 million views. But Derek's appeal went beyond just car restorations. His humble, relatable persona and his willingness to share his mistakes as much as his successes made him a trusted figure in the automotive world. He was no longer just a mechanic. He was a voice for the DIY community. From YouTube to TV, Derek's journey into the spotlight. As Vice Grip Garage gained momentum, Derek's presence extended beyond YouTube. In September 2022, he began hosting roadworthy rescues on Motor Trend, a television show that followed his car restoration projects across the country. The show quickly became popular, showcasing Derek's hands-on, no-frills approach to vehicle revival. By 2025, Roadworthy Rescues had entered its third season, cementing Derek's reputation as a true expert in the field. While Derek still maintained a consistent YouTube presence, the demands of TV production, with its higher production values and tighter schedules, began to take up more of his time, leading to fewer YouTube uploads. Derek was balancing two worlds, and this shift marked a new phase in his career. The expansion of Vice Grip Garage beyond YouTube and television. As Vice Grip Garage grew, so did Derek's brand. In addition to YouTube and television, he began to explore other avenues to support his love for car restoration. Derek started offering auctions for refurbished cars, collaborating with brands like Motion Raceworks, Holly, and Bear Brakes. His authentic approach to product integration, where brand collaborations felt organic and not forced, made him highly sought after by companies in the automotive space. Derek also launched a merchandise line and a collection of OEM parts and tools, which resonated with his fan base who trusted his expertise. This expansion allowed Derek to create a sustainable business while staying true to his passion for car restoration and DIY mechanics. The backbone of Vice Grip Garage, Derek's family support system. While Derek may be the face of Vice Grip Garage, it is his family that forms the backbone of the operation. His wife Jessica and their 3 children have been integral to the success of the channel. Jessica, though rarely in front of the camera, handles much of the logistics, event planning, and technical support at events like Sick Week. Derek has often credited her for making it possible to maintain the pace of his video uploads and to manage the numerous projects he undertakes. Together, they created a family-run operation where each member plays a critical role, from preparing cars for events to managing travel schedules. The family unit is central to Derek's vision for Vice Grip Garage, helping to maintain an authentic grassroots operation without relying on a large crew or outside help. Derek Bieri, the next generation of Vice Grip Garage. Derek's commitment to passing down his skills and values to the next generation is evident in his youngest son, Bentley. Bentley has his own YouTube channel, Little Grip Garage, where he restores go-karts, mini bikes, and off-road machines. Derek helps Bentley with his channel, providing guidance without overshadowing his son's work. Bentley's channel, which attracts a younger audience, is a perfect way to bridge the gap between the old-school, hands-on mechanics of Derek's generation and the new wave of car enthusiasts. Derek's philosophy is clear. If they can fix a car, they can fix life. It's a mindset he hopes to instill in his children, empowering them to problem solve and work with their hands, just as he did growing up. The changing pace, a shift in focus for Vice Grip Garage. Since 2023, fans of Vice Grip Garage have noticed a shift in Derek's content. The frequency of video uploads slowed down, and events where Derek was once a staple began to see his absence. The reason for this was simple. Derek had grown beyond just YouTube. As his career took off with roadworthy rescues and his participation in major car events, the time commitment needed to maintain both a high-quality TV show and a YouTube channel became overwhelming. Derek was no longer just producing videos for YouTube. He was managing a brand that spanned across multiple platforms. He made the decision to cut back on his video uploads, reducing the pace to 2 or 3 videos per month, focusing on higher quality content that showcased deeper technical expertise. A new chapter, Derek's evolution into a DIY icon. By 2025, Derek Bieri had become much more than a YouTuber. He had evolved into a trusted figure in the DIY car restoration community. While many YouTube stars rely on drama, controversy, or gimmicks to stay relevant, Derek chose a different path. His clean image, authenticity, and technical prowess have made him a respected name in the car enthusiast world. His involvement in major car events, such as Sick Week and Mecum auctions, as well as his collaborations with brands like Motion Raceworks, have solidified his role as an industry leader. Derek's journey is not just about fixing cars, it's about preserving the art of DIY car restoration and passing that knowledge down to future generations. The future of Vice Grip Garage, maintaining integrity in a fast-paced world. As Derek's career continues to evolve, one thing remains clear. He is committed to maintaining the integrity of Vice Grip Garage. Despite the growing pressures of fame and commercial success, Derek has remained true to his roots. Whether he's restoring a classic car, leading technical sessions at events, or spending time with his family, Derek's approach is always grounded in the same values he held when he started the channel. His success is a testament to the power of authenticity and the belief that passion, hard work, and sincerity are still the best ingredients for building a lasting legacy. Vice Grip Garage has become more than just a YouTube channel. It's a symbol of what can be achieved when you do what you love and share it with others.